apat na territories ng ating Spratly Islands, are already territories of the Philippines. Simply because we occupied them. Tayo nag-occupy na dito eh. And somebody is suggesting na sinasabi ko raw, I'm trying to remove the KIG from the territory of this country by presenting a spliced narrative. Ito yung mabigat dito eh. No less than a senator of the republic did this. We'll come to this in proper time. Gusto ko lamang paalam na alam niyo si Tomas Cloma was mentioned in the arbitral award only in pages 250 and 251. Sinasabi ng tribunal, a certain Filipino and his associates had some activities in this Spratly, sabi niya. Yun lang, na-mention. Doon lang siya na-mention. And parang nagkataon lang na nakarating sa Ito Aba and nagkaroon lang ng konti sigurong kung ano-ano pinagagawa nila doon. That was the only time that this Tomas Cloma was mentioned in the arbitration tribunal. So baka po tinuturo sa Command and General Staff Course.
Your Honor, as I said, sir, we only have modules not including the history, Your Honor.
So yung pinagsasabi ni Senator Ping are all distortions.
I have to find out, Your Honor.
It's borne out by our TSN. May transcript po kami.
Probably in the old CGSC classes in the 80s or 90s, Your Honor, there's a part of history, but I can only surmise on that, Your Honor. So,
sinasabi ko lang po, ako kailanman hindi ko sinabi, I'm trying to remove the KIG from the territory of this country. I never, not even a suggestion. Alam po ninyo, it was misquoted several times here. When we were meeting at the CA, I was only trying to emphasize two things. The difficulty of plotting the West Philippine Sea because of several obstacles. There are 3 articles of the UNCLOS that will be contradicted if we will encircle the West Philippine Sea with the KIG. Pero hindi ko po problema yon. Problema na ng NAMRIA kung paano natin gagawin. I hope we can help NAMRIA plot the map of the West Philippine Sea in our lifetime. Pero hindi ko kailanman sinuggest